Please support the forthcoming Cinemalaya Independent Film Festival na isi-show dito sa Vista Mall Cinema. And we have an entry, so I hope you find the time to support our movie. It's entitled Edward.
For me, this gathering is a blessing. And what I've learned from today's lecture is, firstly, film is a passion and therefore I should pursue it because it's something that I love doing and something that I want to pursue. And secondly, is that always to learn to be humble to accept criticisms from people because you will never know that you will learn from them and they will help you improve and become a better filmmaker.
Today's workshop, I learned that filmmaking is not only about aesthetics, but it's about telling a story. And in making a story that's really effective for your audience, it's really important that the story you tell is a story that you know very well in your heart.
Filmmaking is a form of art, and in art, you have to show something ordinary in a different light.
Hello, this is Rubeinspired. I'm a film director. My message to our young filmmakers, please don't be afraid to use your voice, to speak the truth, to question the things that are happening around us, and to make noise. Mag-ingay. Thank you very much.
Hello kids, ako mga kasimanoa. Ginaimbitaran ko ikaw mga malantaw sa Cinemalaya in Western Visayas.
August 8 to 13 para sa Cinemalaya.
Marami po tayong mga gagandang shorts film na ginawa ng mga estudyante natin mula dito sa mga region na to.
Inapulo kita ka short films, 1 minuter nga ginpili naton, kaga muna sila makompete para sa aton nga film festival. Hindi sila ikatabid sa mga full length para pagwaon diri sa Vista Cinemas. So makadto kita diri, mabuligay kita, malantaw kita sa mga films from Manila, kag sa bilog ng Philippines, kag malantaw makita sa mga short films salin sa Western Visayas.
And I'm also inviting people to catch some old Cinemalaya films at Cinemalaya Micro Cinemas, FTCP Cinematech Iloilo, August 7 to 13. Thank you!
So, see you there. See you sa August 7 to 13 para sa regional screenings ng Cinemalaya.
So, madamo gyud nga salamat, kag padayon kita tanan.
Western Visayas!
Mayo kayo nakakapit ka mo sa akong channel. Di ano bang inuulat mo? Pindot